Hey guys, it's me AJ. Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe down below. So today you guys are going to be braiding your hair. The front is leave out. So I have two sections of leave out in the front. I have one leave out on the side and the rest of them are braids. Now you can do your braids big or you can do them small. You're going to need a crochet hook, a hair tie, and some hair, of course. The hair I used was the Cuban Twist double strand 16-inch hair that I got from my local beauty supply store. So what you're going to do is you're going to take that strand of hair and we're going to split it in half. So you just put your thumbs in it and you just split it in half. Now you have two pieces of hair. We use two pieces of hair because it makes it less bulky. So we take our crochet hook, and when you put it in your hair, you're going to hook the hair onto the hook and close it, and then you will pull it through. Pretty simple. So I'm going to show you guys in the front. You're going to put the hook through your hair. Then you're going to take the hair, put it onto the hook, make sure you close it, and put it through. Then you're going to take that little loop, you're going to open it, and you're going to slide the rest of the hair through the loop. And then you're going to pull it. Remember, don't pull it too tight. If you pull it too tight, it's going to give you a headache.
Jet planes in the night sky with you, getting high in the sunrise with you, getting through all the bad times with you. I wasn't missing a thing, no I do. And I wish that I could build a time machine, 'cause time moves on, and now you're gone. Oh, if only I could build a time machine, I'd come and get you. I can't forget you. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that you were mine. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that you were mine. Jet planes in the night sky with you, getting high in the sunrise with you, getting through all the bad times with you. I wasn't missing a thing, no I do. And I wish that I could build a time machine, 'cause time moves on, and now you're gone. Oh, if only I could build a time machine, I'd come and get you. I can't forget you. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all all the time. I wish that you were mine. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that you were mine. Jet planes in the night sky with you, getting high in the sunrise with you, getting through all the bad times with you. I wasn't missing a thing, no I do. And I wish that I could build a time machine, 'cause time moves on, and now you're gone. Oh, if only I could build a time machine, I'd come and get you. I can't forget you. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that you were mine. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that you were mine.
Look at all this hair we got. Ooh, looks gorgeous. Now we're going to get ready to start working on the top of my hair. So we're going to split the hair in half, and we're going to work section by section. So we're just going to put this side up in a bun so that it's not in the way while we work on the other section. Now we're going to take this side of my hair and we're going to split it into small sections. Now I'm going to be using a brush to start off, but you can also use a comb. The comb was a lot faster. We're also going to be using a leave-in conditioner. I'm using the Dove because I don't really like using that on my actual hair. So we're going to put it onto the fake hair, rub it in. Don't worry, the white will go away. Now we start brushing, starting from the bottom of our hair, working our way up. The reason we are doing this is to get rid of the excess and shed hair, and to also make it so that it's easier to handle. So as you see right now, I'm using a comb because I found that the comb was just a lot faster to get through the tangles of this type of hair. So now that we have the hair combed out, and it is very long, you can choose to cut it or you can keep it long. So now we are going to be taking out our leave out. Now when you do the leave out, it's going to be a little bit difficult, just a little bit, not too much. You have to get your hair as puffy as possible for this type of hair. Now the thing that you're going to use are bobby pins to try to pin down your natural hair. Now when I did it this time, I left out a little bit too much of leave out, but don't worry, that'll get fixed. But make sure that you guys don't leave too much leave out because it makes the job just a little bit harder. All you really have to do is play around with it just a little bit. It will work out in the end. It just takes a little bit of time to make sure that you get all the hair covered up and blended. So just play around with it for a little bit and don't worry, you'll get through it. So as you can see, it's starting to blend in really well. So now we're going to go ahead and work on the other side. So as you can see here, I left a little bit too much on the top. So remember, don't leave out too much. I didn't realize how much I had left out, so it took a lot of bobby pins, but we got it done.
Jet planes in the night sky with you, getting high in the sunrise with you, getting through all the bad times with you. I wasn't missing a thing, no I do. And I wish that I could put a time machine, 'cause time moves on, and now you're gone.
So as you guys can see, this is the finished look. It took a little bit of work, but we got through it and it looks amazing. It looks beautiful. I love it. You can do a braid out if you want to. You can do a twist out. You can cut it to be shorter if you want to. It's all up to you. but this is how it's looking so far.
Jet planes in the night sky with you, getting high in the sunrise with you, getting through.
So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Ayanna and Niece. And don't forget to comment some videos that you guys would like to see. Thank y'all. See you later.